makers, I'm JoAnne Sackett, and today I'm making a video about surface tension. I was Northwest Iowa's STEM Teacher of the Year in 2019, and today I'm making this video in partnership with the Iowa Governor's STEM Advisory. This is a great video to do with your elementary age students and children. Helping me today is my daughter Venice.
Hello.
And today we're going to be playing with food coloring and milk. This is a simple and fun activity to do. All right, you ready to get started?
Yes.
All right, we're going to gather ingredients. First, you're going to need a shallow plate or like a pie pan, milk. I like the higher fat. I think it works better, and we'll talk about why in a little bit. We're going to need food coloring, some Q-tips, and dish soap. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
First, we're going to pour the milk into the shallow plate. You want to cover it all, about a 1/4 inch in depth. That we're just going to eyeball. There you go. Tray. All right, I'm going to give this milk just a little bit of time to settle. A couple bubbles in there. I think it'll be fine. All right, next we're going to add a drop of food coloring to the middle of the plate. Just to speed things up. 1 drop of each color. I have this typical red, yellow, green, and blue. Ooh, I did 2 there, and that's okay. All right, we changed the camera angle, so you should be able to see what's happening a little easier. Venice first has her Q-tip that is just plain. There's nothing on it, and she's going to just test it out just to observe what happens when she touches the food coloring to the milk.
It just dyes the Q-tip a little bit. That's supposed to.
All right, so now we're going to add food coloring. We're going to add the dish soap. So she's dipping in. Right in the middle. Whoa! That was an explosion of color. What's happening, Venice?
All the stuff going around the plate.
So why does this happen? This happens because milk is made up of water, but also fats and proteins. When the soap is mixed in, the nonpolar soap structure breaks up the nonpolar fat molecules. The polar surface connects with the polar water molecules, with the fat held inside the soap. Because the soap is making the connection, the fat can be carried by the water. Pretty, pretty. So we also wanted to try this with a non-dairy milk. We happen to have oat milk at our house, but any milk that you want to try with is fun because it's an experiment, just to see what happens. So Venice is going to fill the plate with oat milk now. And the food coloring. And she's going to find out what happens when you use oat milk instead of whole milk. Wow.
As you can see, the colors spread more out as well as you can actually see the color as where they spread out instead of them just dissolving kind of and only seeing where they end up.
Remember, it's all about experimenting and having fun. Try something, see what happens.
You can also, with your milk, you can take a piece of paper, this stuff is totally optional, and you put it over mix up all your patterns. So you can even pat it down a little bit. Then you want to remove it. You want to lay it down flat so that it doesn't drip all over. And then you can make art out of this experiment.